Quick disclaimer, this deburring tool was given to me for my honest review. Now, this deburring tool is made of a high quality aluminum, which means no worrying about rusting over the years. It also has a hardened steel blade, which is also reversible, so there's two sides to it. Once one side gets dull, this tool can be used when working with several types of pipes: PVC, CPVC, ABS, and PP pipes, as well as pipe size from 1 1/4 inch all the way up to 4 inches. Here is a quick demo on how to use this tool using a 2-inch PVC pipe. All you have to do is simply position it within the appropriate grooves on the tool. The pipe should line up perfectly right next to the blade, and all you simply do is turn it to the right like so, all the way around one full turn, and it scrapes the edge of the tool, making it nice and smooth so that you can have a nice high quality seal when you're ready to glue it to another pipe. As you can see, it shaves off a nice thin layer right around the edges and makes it nice and smooth. Here is a closer look at the shavings that was removed from the PVC pipe. Since it's a little bit difficult to see it on the white PVC, here's how it will look on a yellow CPVC pipe. As you can see, it's nice and smooth around the edges. Per the manual, you can see it is compatible with 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 2, 2 1/2, 3, and 4 inch pipe. I hope this video was helpful.